Paul is not teaching revenge. He's not teaching punishment. He's not teaching about canceling a person. He's teaching about, key phrase, redemptive intervention. This is what he's teaching about. He's teaching about a willingness to love a person by telling them that they are wrong. This is what he's teaching. If you were living in a way that was toxic, harmful, and is leading to death, would you want to know? That's a real question. It's a real question for us to answer individually within our seats. It's a real question when it comes to living out and to even receiving the Christian faith. Listen, we are in a wild topic right here, but it is such a pointed topic, and it can incite riots. It can incite so much drama and so much political tension and so much overflowing of emotion and so much knee-jerk reactions that we take it out of the spiritual realm of health and we move it to this place as though talking about it and making a decided decision is harmful. That's not harmful. That's not harmful at all. It's redemptive intervention. Paul later says this in the book of Galatians. You'll see it on the screen as well. He says, dear brothers and sisters, if another believer is overcome by some sin, you who are godly should gently and humbly help that person back onto the right path. That God desires to restore, to redeem, to rescue. This is God's heart. It is not. God does not intentionally desire to hurt people.